Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And start off for our sleek bun, we'll need some spray bottles, some edge wax, of course your utensils to comb and brush your hair back, some elastic bands, and of course your choice of gel or whatever you prefer to use to slick your bun back. So first I'm going to start off by going ahead and just add some hydration back in my hair. I did have a puff in my head, so yeah, just go ahead and just spray my hair down, just make it a little bit more easier to manage. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and just put where I want to start my part at. I just love a sleek bun with a side part. It just looks so classy, so much more sleeker to me. So yeah, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and just take my my rattail comb and just make that part a little bit more cleaner, and yeah, just making sure it's straight and just much more cleaner, and make sure it's not as crooked or not. I do have, if you want to look kind of hair type I do have more of a thick kinky curly hair type. So yeah, I am natural. I've been natural for about four plus years now. So yeah, if you like to see more natural hair videos, comment down below. So yeah, right now I'm just going to go ahead and just slightly detangle my hair on the end, so just so my I'm sorry guys, just so my bun will be more sleek and there's no bumps and lumps in my bun, my low bun. So yeah, right now I'm just going to go ahead and add in my gel, whatever you prefer to use. I do not use a lot of gel just because gel tends to dry my hair out a lot, so I just went in with just a minimal amount, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my brush and spread that product throughout. If you notice, I did not focus the gel or the brush on my edges, simply because we'll be focused on that with our edge control as well as with our edge brush. So yeah, just mainly focusing the brush in on the bun itself and make sure everything is smooth and in place. And as you can see, everything is looking nice and shiny and sheen. I am going to go ahead and spray a little bit more of my water on my hair, just to keep the product a little bit more movable and just more easier to manage with my hair. Like I said, I do have a more thicker hair now, so yeah. I want to just make sure all of the bumps and no ridges or anything is keeping in. Of course, we got to hit that kitchen honey, so make sure all of that is just nice and sleek. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie it with your elastic bands. I prefer to use 2 elastic bands. I do use the elastic bands without the metal piece, just because it tends to pull my hair. So I do use just the regular elastic bands without the metal piece. And like I said, I do use 2 because it's just for a better hold, and I do have more thicker hair. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and make sure that it's nice and secure. Put my bun the way I do like. I do like to put mine more in a more tighter bun when I do my low buns, just for more sleeker look, as you can see. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and just go ahead and sleek over any hairs that may have fallen out of place from putting my bun in as well. Just going over and smooth that over. And I'm going to show you a trick where you won't have to take out your bun when you might have hairs that may have came out of place. So taking my Urge Murray wax, and yes, I'm taking that, and I'm just going to go ahead and start on my edges. If you do not know about this edge wax, it is the bomb, especially for natural hair girls, to keep our edges laid. I know the issue with making, your edges might curl up, but this keeps a good hold. It doesn't move my edges at all. I love it. So if you haven't tried, get your hands on it. It's called the Murray's Edge Wax. So yes, And as you can notice that when I'm doing my edges, I'm also taking the product more back into my bun, and this is how I get a more sleeker look, and it also put away any little curly pieces that may have just came out of my lower bun. And just moving that product all the way back towards the lower of my bun again, like I said. So now we're going to go ahead and get ready to move on to the other side shortly. But to each his own. If you don't like baby hairs, that's fine. Just don't add them. But if you just want that more sleeker look and more, just a little more edge to your bun, then do your edges. And again, like you see, I'm pushing that product in the back of my bun to sleek away those little curly pieces that are not staying within my bun. I know y'all know about the good old toothbrush, so don't play. But yeah, slicking it nice and back. And this is a lot more easier than taking out your bun again, re-slicking it, especially for our natural hair girls. So yeah, this is the finished look. Nice and sleek. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you want to see any more natural hair videos by me, please comment down below. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at uniqueextends2_. As well as if you're interested in my lashes, of course, they're always in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.